Blessings and greetings, fam. Hope all is well. Today, let's go for a walk. Let's take a nice walk in nature. Let's take a nice little stroll in nature. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. I got you. I ain't gonna let nothing happen to you. Come on, come on.
Yeah. In the beginning, before the beginning, there was love. And with love came a creation, the embodiment of pleasure, fun and excitement, spontaneity, which gave us life. All we have to do is embrace it, cherish it, nurture it, and build it up. The bond became stronger and stronger. It was evident that life is beautiful. Take a look at life. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Take the time and take life day by day. Rest assured that there's beauty in life. And life give it joy, and joy give it life. We may never know what tomorrow may bring, but we can control the right now. We can control the right now. It's up to you to be true to yourself. It's up to you to enjoy life. Come on. There's beauty in life. There's beauty in growth. Let us take the time to enjoy. Nature has so much to show us. Yeah. So beautiful. Just relax and let it grow. Just relax and let it grow. Just relax and let it grow. And let it grow.